Sintez OKA Group of companies today is a modern vertically integrated production facility, a research center represented by Himtech Engineering Management Company with 30 years of experience and deep competencies in the field of amine treatment technologies. RUSNANO-SINTEZ investment partnership was created at the end of 2018 to develop the production of low and medium tonnage chemical products in Russia. The fund focuses on investment in high-tech projects that have a complex impact on the development of the chemical industry. The first investment of RUSNANO-SINTEZ fund was the MONAMIN project, which is designed to meet the growing demand of Russian industry for highly effective solvents based on methyl diethanolamine, necessary for purification of natural and technological gases from acidic impurities. Himsorbent is the only manufacturer of methyl diethanolamine and formulated amine solution based in the territory of Russia and CIS countries. The founders of the company are Gazprom and Himtech Engineering. The manufactured products fully comply with the highest international quality standards that is proven by many of our local market and international clients. Our amines are successfully used at gas processing plants and refineries of largest Russian and foreign oil and gas companies. Modified special MDEA is in stable demand among manufacturers of nitrogen and mineral fertilizers. Himsobent produces a full range of commodity and specialty amines to meet major gas treatment needs. Selective removal of hydrogen sulfide from natural gas, associated and refinery gases, deep removal of carbon dioxide from the synthesis gas and for LNG production, purification of natural gas from organic sulfur-containing impurities, tail and flue gases post-treatment to meet the tight environmental specifications. We offer our clients a full-scope technical support that includes development of basic designs and feasibility studies for new amine units, consultation on solvent replacement at existing units, simulations capabilities for optimum amine solution selection, analytical support and troubleshooting.
Himtech Engineering разработал проект блока очистки природного газа от диоксида углерода, рассчитал материально-тепловой баланс, габариты оборудования и дал рекомендации по эксплуатации установки. В блоке очистки применяем амин Sintez OKA марок ВГ. Данный амин нас устраивает по качеству и, так как он является отечественным, очень устраивают сроки поставки.
Самое главное преимущество при переходе с МЭА на МД это было снижение энергозатрат, то есть это снижение циркуляции, соответственно, снизилось потребление пара 10 атмосфер на регенерацию. Второе, то что тоже одно из самых важных, это снижение коррозии. Практически в ноль ушли по коррозии. Как бы это большое преимущество МД перед МЭА.
Certified according to the ISO 9001 quality management standard and equipped with up-to-date gas and ion chromatography, performs a wide range of high-precision analysis to assist our customers in the amine condition assessment. Our laboratory has developed a method for determining heat-stable amine salts, a wide range of amine degradation products, which is part of our technical package for our regular customers. The method has high accuracy of up to 1 ppm, which reliably allows for immediate reaction to changing operation conditions.
Ключевым фактором при выборе новых абсорбентов является первое – это обеспечение качества очистки сырья. Второе – срок службы абсорбентов. И третье – это более сниженные энергозатраты при его регенерации.
The use of special modified amine solution can significantly reduce the content of sulfur impurities, which have a strong corrosive effect on oil and gas equipment, and it almost completely prevents the release of sulfur oxides into the atmosphere, which cause acid rains that entail soil erosion. The use of our special amines for carbon dioxide from various process and waste gases will significantly reduce greenhouse gas emission into the atmosphere in accordance with the Paris Climate Agreement. And in the near future, our modified amines can be actively used in the production of an environmentally friendly energy resource, blue hydrogen.
В агрегатах производства аммиака на стадии очистки синтеза газа от диоксида углерода очень важным является задача достижения требуемой степени очистки. Кроме того, также стоит задача по снижению энергетических затрат на производство аммиака, а также увеличению мощности действующих агрегатов. Со всеми этими задачами успешно справляется метилдиэтаноламин, модифицированное производство группы компаний Sintez OKA.
We contribute to sustainable development of the Russian industry by producing high-quality amines, developing our professional and technological competences, and maintaining the social standards of the company's activities.